So I'm going to show you how to get your Crocs really clean. I have all these crazy colors and I wish you could have seen these before I washed them. These look kind of dingy, but they looked a lot worse. But you can see if you're going to wear cheap shoes, at least they should look clean. And because of the makeup of Crocs, they can get dingy looking really fast. We had a young friend visiting this weekend, and he had white slip-on Crocs, the flats, and they were horrendous looking. And he lives in Los Angeles. And I'm like, oh, darling. So the secret is the pink stuff, the miracle cleaning paste. And you want to warm the Crocs up first with some hot water. Just a little bit, not crazy, just hot tap water. And then take your paste and really work it in all over the place, especially underneath and in all the cracks and crevices. You can take a brush to it, of course. That kind of expedites the process. So we got our pink stuff in there. Then I'm gonna take a little hard brush, give it a little scrub. A little scrub in there. And back what was dingy. And then you can let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. I think we can probably get results pretty quickly. You definitely want to get all around the edges of your shoe, because that's usually, you can tell when something's showing age. You don't want people to think you're wearing old shoes. Well, maybe you do. Maybe you like to look like that. Keep the front really well. Now, if you don't get the results you want just using the pink stuff because you've really let your shoes go too far, you can hit it up with some straight bleach afterwards. Okay. Then put a little more paste on here, and then we're going to give it a rinse and see what happens. Now, usually, I'm doing this for the sake of the video because I'm too lazy to edit. Like I said, you'd let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes, but we're just going to hit it up with rinse it with some hot water now. Oh, you can see how dirty the water is. Ooh, man. Make sure you rinse the paste really well out of all the cracks and everything. And look at the difference. They're like brand new again. This pink stuff you can actually find at the dollar store sometimes, but even if you can't find it there, it's really inexpensive and a little bit goes a long way. And now these Crocs look almost brand new again. These I cleaned, those I cleaned. That's it.